Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Lives to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my mini dashboard planner, but I am changing things up this week. I'm actually using this as my social media planner this week, and then I'm going to use the vertical layout as my catch-all, and I'm going to do an after the pen video in my vertical so you guys can see what that looks like. So this week I will be decorating with Grow with Goals and adding some of these pretty florals from the pressed florals box. All right, let's get started. You guys are probably wondering, why are you deciding to switch things around? Basically, the reason that I'm doing that is because I need to find a layout that works for me. If you guys watched my mini vertical video from last week, I'm struggling with that layout, so I need to find one that works for me. So I have to figure out how I'm going to use this space and how I'm going to use this space as well. So what I'm thinking is this space is going to be for all the videos that come out on YouTube, and then these will be spaces for my Instagram posts, and then I can keep track of stats here, and then I can keep track of just, yeah, stats and my filming schedule. All right, so let's see. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. I will still have to white this out. But maybe there's a different way that I can do this. Okay. I want to find, I guess what I really need is just two boxes. One, two, well, I don't really even need a box because I can just use that, couldn't I? Okay. But I do need a box for like my stats. So that is way too big. I think what I could do is white this out and white this out like I normally would. And let's see, remember, put that down like this with a 1, 2, and 3. Now the thing with this though is that it does go into this, and I don't really know how I feel about that. So if I put it right up against this, make sure that it is straight. And then here I can put what I'm filming. So I could put to do. And next week it will just be 7 videos, I believe it is. Although, yeah, 7. And then maybe I could put a box in here for like ideas for Lucy. So I'm going to put a big quote down here as well. Whoopsie. Just like so, if it will fit. It goes into the disc a little bit, but then I can add some florals. Oh, cute. And then I could actually put a really big floral in this corner. Actually, yeah, and I don't mind covering up the word April. I know what the date is. So cover that up. And then I'll cut the rest off here. Without trying to cut the paper itself. Okay. Ooh. You go there. And then I feel like I could put a quote on top of that, but the quote can't be transparent, which I think I might have. Ooh. You got this. Keep it up. Ooh, I think the laptop might actually be really nice there. working hard. Or put it, no, actually I don't know if it will fit in anywhere. Ooh, maybe I could just put a big cup of coffee. Coffee o'clock, you got this. Crushing it. There aren't really like quote types of things that I'm seeing, but I could do the crushing it. Although that just feels weird putting it down like that. So let's leave it for a bit. But I do need a box to go in here for ideas for videos for Lucy. I haven't done a video for Lucy in quite a while, but I do want to do some, and like a day in the life, because she will be 4 months old as of the 16th. So I do want to do something. Let me put this down. Okay. All right. I like that so far. I'm going to leave that for now. Okay. So then for this side, I basically need a label for up here to just put YouTube. And in terms of the video, I think what I can label it with is one of these. Yeah, and then I could just write the word YouTube. And then maybe put this floral back. And then what I think I'm going to do, oops. The thing with this particular sticker book though is that, oh no, I lie. There's icons. Yeah, so there's those icons. There's silver. Oh, there's those. Is that all? I feel like, okay, no, I've got a few that I can, a few that I can work with. Okay, okay. So going from this schedule, which I actually need to redo. Okay, so I updated my, let's make sure I'm actually in the right spot here. I updated my grid, so I'll be able to tell which one is a color post, which one is on a white background, things like that. So I think what I'm going to do is anything on, okay, and then so YouTube will go here, Instagram posts will be here. So anything with purple sticker will be on a color background. And I only really post one thing a day, one Instagram post a day, but if there's others that I need to do, and then Thursday, white background, but then there will be a lifestyle picture, and then hourly comes out on the Saturday, and then after the pen will be in white. Okay, so then anything in white with a white background I will do with the gray. So the vertical that comes out on the Tuesday will be on a white background. And there's the daily, which will come out on the Thursday, which will be on a white background. And then this will be on a white background. So the fitness will be on a white background. And then after the pen will be on a white background. I actually really like that. Okay, so functionally that page is pretty much done. So I could add florals, of course. Why not? Like so. I think it would be too much if I add it here. No, not at all. Cute. And then just adding florals wherever I can. No, too big. Put that there. And that might work. Okay, so the way that I'm going to use this then is, this will be the filming schedule. This will be for Instagram and YouTube stats. This will be for any video ideas. These will be when the YouTube videos will be published. And then this is for Instagram posts. I am really liking it so far. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in. So there is the overall finished spread. I apologize for the lighting in here. No, just turned it up. I apologize for the lighting. But yes, there's the overall finished spread. And you know what? I think the dashboard layout is going to work really well for me for social media. Like I can see everything for YouTube. I can see everything for Instagram. I know what I need to film, my stats. I really like it so far. But then the next question is, will I be able to do my catch-all in a vertical? Stay tuned for the next video. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.